Hey everybody, before we get going, take a look in the description for the free Smart Music exercise or the free PDFs, whichever ones you need. Use them as much, share them as much as you need to. Also, if this helps you at all, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Here we go. So a quick reminder that on this page, when you see these notes, they are slurred. So this first one is tongued because it's the beginning of a slur passage, but then everything after it is not articulated with your tongue. Everything after that will be articulated because there are no slur marks over them. Again, if this helped, let me know in the comments below. You're awesome. Good job. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.